Hey, I'm Andrew. This is a 22 Ford F-150. We're going to put in a right rear door glass. Shattered. It happens. It's tempered. Domestic door 12400YPN. Means privacy tent, no attachments. Removing the door panel. Have my little screwdriver here. Got this little plastic trap door here. It's going to have a fastener behind it, some sort. Cheat, I've got two of them. Got, it's like 7mm. Got some other fasteners down here. I feel probably same 7mm or close to it. Gonna pull those. Okay, well, 9/32, not just 7mm, 9/32. Disconnect your switch. All right, so tug on the fastener. The bottom here is the fastener's removed, and on the side here, I'm not sure if this has a fastener behind. Oh, it does. It reveals the fastener. Can you see this? Are you getting this footage? It's been a while since I've done one of these. I did not remember the fastener behind the reflector light there, but you got another one of these fasteners. All right, and the rest are clips. Once you get those out, go chase my reflector here. Pull up. Now, I do recall this being kind of a tricky one to disconnect here, or not tricky, but just you gotta be careful, you don't want to break it. You've got your door handle here. Don't want to break this. That down. I don't know how well you can see that. Let me try that again. I was looking at something so simple. Disconnect this. Pull up. That's it. This is the part you don't want to break. Your lock mechanism, it's like you just pinch and pull down. Pretty easy.
It's the easiest thing in the world.
Now we're working on vacuuming glass. Make sure we knock all this loose. Okay, continuing on, did a vacuum and clean out so our door isn't a Maraca. Got a T20 right here in the bottom, or top corner here, I should say bottom corner of the window, but T20 torque. I want to remove that. So we're going to remove our outer door trim, and you need that fastener off to do it. This right here. So we've done that fastener here. We're gonna pull up. It's got some clips. So pull this back out. Got another little. Take my little screwdriver here. It's got a little hook. Pull this and get past. There we go. Bam. Set that aside. Now we've got more room to get that door glass in there. Plug up our switch. Turn the key on. Roll the window down some more. There we go. Take our door glass. It's pretty square, so I'm going to go in there so. Slide that down. Looks like we'll have to roll the window down some more. That snap you heard is the window snapping into place. Got little hooks on the regulator, hooks it in place, make sure we're lined up correctly. Get a bone. Bam. Roll that window up. Give it a little test run here. Bam. Now I just gotta put it back together. Hope that was helpful.